Welcome to the virtual tour of Unit 15 at 14 Outlook Way in Sunbury. Located in a beautiful quiet street and really close to the township and local shops. As we enter through the front, we are immediately greeted by the staircase to upstairs. But on the lower level, we have our open plan living. With split system heating and cooling. Modern design. Decent sized living area, and the kitchen with stainless steel appliances and dishwasher. Kitchen takes us directly out to the courtyard, and in the downstairs area we also have a powder room, as well as the remote controlled operated lock-up garage for a single car that brings us directly into the living space. As we make our way upstairs, we have 3 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, and a European laundry. The main bedroom upstairs has the split system unit for heating and aircon, plus an electric wall heater. This bedroom has its own little private balcony. Walk-in robe. Private ensuite with toilet and shower and basin. Moving on from bedroom 1, we have bedroom 2 and 3. These bedrooms are of similar size, large built-in robes. Bedroom 2 has an electric wall heater. And bedroom 3 is similar. Large wardrobes. Plus wall heater. Both bedrooms have frosted glass for privacy. As we move past both of the bedrooms, we have the laundry. European style within enclosed cupboards. Plenty of room for a washing machine. And following through on the 2 extra bedrooms plus the laundry is our main bathroom that accommodates these last 2 bedrooms. shower head, and you've got a single basin.